back to Ray Creators Lab. In this video, I'll introduce you to Microsoft Copilot and walk you through how to use it in case the AI tool is new to you. Say hello to Microsoft Copilot, your all-in-one assistant for PowerPoint, Excel, Teams, Outlook, and Word. In case you are new to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, like and share this video, and also turn on the notification for more interesting videos. Let's dive into the video. Here are 13 powerful things you can do with Microsoft Copilot. First, let's begin with PowerPoint. Copilot helps you to do the following in PowerPoint: convert Word docs into presentations, create quick presentations from files, summarize lengthy presentations into key slides, add new slides using prompts, improve text, formatting, animations, and layout with natural language. You can now edit images directly with Microsoft Copilot, change the background, filter, and so on. It's important that I let you know that you can use Copilot on Windows, Macs, and even mobiles. Also, note that Bing Chat is now Copilot and you can use it on Edge, Chrome, Safari, and even on your phone. I'll show you its latest AI features. In Excel, Microsoft Copilot will assist you to do the following: make instant professional charts with existing data, apply formulas, calculations based on prompts, create visualizations like charts, graphs, summarize trends and insights from data analysis, model potential scenarios with what-if analysis. Before we continue, please don't forget to support this channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing this video. Copilot now functions as code interpreter, and with this, you can perform complex tasks such as coding, data analysis, visualization, math, and more. We use the Microsoft Word every day, and you'll be amazed at all you can do now using Copilot in Microsoft Word. Generate a draft of a complete document easily with a simple prompt. Summarize lengthy documents efficiently. Rewrite sections of text or entire documents to be more concise or match a certain tone. GPT-4 powers Copilot Chat. This is why software developers will love this. You can chat within your code editor, enabling faster coding and quicker access to answers. Detects security vulnerabilities and fixes errors in code, terminal, and debugger. With Copilot, you can build your own copilots just similar to GPTs, and with this, you can do the following. Use an end-to-end conversational design studio to extend and customize Copilot for Microsoft 365 and build your own Copilot. Copilot creates agendas for your meetings, takes notes during meetings, capturing key points and action items, suggests discussion points, get meeting recaps and insights. In Copilot Studio, Copilot will assist you to Create AI helpers that works with Microsoft 365. No programming skills required. Teach them using your information and files. Set them up on various websites and systems. Copilot in Loop helps to plan, brainstorm, and collaborate easily. Collaborate, co-create, and stay in sync. Draft effective emails. Schedule follow-ups and create agendas based on past conversations. Translate an email response and summarize long emails. We've come to the end of the tutorial for today. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like and share this video, and also leave us a comment.